All right, this is question 36 for the practice final. We have two radicals and we're trying to add. Well, the only way to add two radicals is to have identical radical ends, and we don't really care what's in front. The coefficient of the radical, we don't mind. So we have 72. Well, 72 is what two numbers multiplied? Well, between 72 and 18 is smaller, so I'm actually going to work on the 18 first. It's when you find the smaller of the two, you're probably going to use that one to figure out the second one. So if we think of 18, the first number we would divide by is 2, because it's even. And we get 2 and 9. Right there we have 9. 9 is a perfect square, because we could say that 9 is actually 3 times 3. And there is our perfect square. So this is going to be 3 on the outside and the root of 2 on the inside. Since this one is root 2, guaranteed the other one's going to do the same thing. So let's say 72 divided by 2 is what number? Well, that's 36. 36 is 6 times 6. So again, even though this is not the full tree method, we end up with a perfect square. So 6 comes out, and in the root, we are left with a 2. Now, since we have identical roots, we're going to go ahead and say that both of them have the root 2. And just like if these were x's, like if you had 6x plus 3x, well, we'd have 9x, right? In this case, we have 9 root 2. The root 2, when addition happens, it essentially acts like a variable. Okay? And there we go. That's as far as we can do.